Hey there everyone, welcome to Tech Basis, and on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do a dunk in NBA Live Mobile. So for dunking in NBA Live Mobile, all you gotta do is press the sprint button while you're running towards the basket and slide up to the shoot button, and your player should dunk. Here let me show you an example. Hold the sprint button and just swipe up and your player should dunk, just like this. Here I'll show you again. Just hold the sprint button and swipe up to shoot. Just hold the sprint button and swipe up to shoot button, and the player should dunk. And that's about it on how to dunk on NBA. Now if you have any confusion, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.